everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine. We have had one heck of a day up here in the mountains of Utah. It is currently freezing, and I'm not even kidding. It's 32 degrees right now, and we are having an enjoyable day up here in the KRX 1000. In our other videos, you'll see that we've been playing around a little bit in the snow. We've got some mud and gunk in front of us right now, but we are comfortable inside the cab. We do have a full windshield on. This is the Kawasaki windshield, but we've also installed the Kawasaki heater kit. Right now, if you look down here, you guys, we have it on our feet and the defrost. We've actually shut off the defrost vents, and we've got all the hot air blowing on our legs right now, and it is crazy hot. And just a little bit ago, I was like, we've got to turn this off my feet. My legs are starting to sweat. No cab kit, as you can see. But with the heater kit installed, you can successfully be comfortable in this machine out in the cold weather. All you need to do to turn it on the vents in front of you is just rock it up. And now you've got the air coming out of the heater vents in front of you. I've got a nice flow of hot air coming right now. You can see we're only doing about 3 miles an hour. Wanted to go a little bit slow while we shot this video, but it's a great way to keep warm. And as an added bonus, in the summertime, you guys, you're going to be able to turn the knob down here all the way to cool. Now that is not AC, it's not air conditioning, but you will be able to get some airflow inside the cab. So a lot of people love the vented windshields, and this is the solution to not having a vented windshield. What I do like about this windshield from Kawasaki is you do not lose any field of view. A lot of the other windshields out there have such a wide metal frame, you do lose some of that airflow, but the advantage to those is you do get the option to have those vented. So we have a lot more information to come. Highly recommend the heater kit. We've installed the heater kits on about every machine on the market from every manufacturer. This is by far the best heater kit as far as how hot it gets and how much volume is produced by the heater or by the blowers on the heater kit. Check us out on the web, you guys, at bigpinesports.com. Give us a call, 435-427-3338. I'll be sure to post up in there, you guys. Apparently my camera woman's an amateur. Just kidding. New phone, actually. But check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. I have no idea where it got cut off before, so I could be repeating a little bit. But I'll be sure to post up in the comments below or in the description below a link to where you can go buy that heater kit. Again, probably going to get up there on my top 3 accessories for the KRX. One, I love the windshield. I think I'm going to go with the heater kit for number 2, and I'm thinking my number 3, which I don't have installed on this unit yet, is going to be the sound system. But having a great day up here. Check out this view, and we'll have a lot more information to come. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. As always, more great content coming. I don't care if you like it or hate it, but just leave a comment. We'll see you guys.